Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you creamy pasta recipe. Comment down your opinions in comment section below. 1 cup pasta. 2 cups of water. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon oil. Let the water boil. Now add 1 cup pasta. Boil for 5 to 6 minutes. Check whether cooked or not and filter it. 1 tablespoon butter. 1 teaspoon chopped garlic cloves. 1 chopped onion. 1/2 cup carrot. 1/2 cup sweet corn. 1/2 cup capsicum. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper powder. Now add pasta. Fry for 5 minutes. One tablespoon butter. Take a bowl, add 1 teaspoon corn flour. Add little bit of milk. Mix well without lumps. Add the mixture. Add 1 cup milk. Mix well continuously. Add 2 tablespoons cheese. 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. 1/2 teaspoon chili flakes. 1/4 teaspoon salt. Now add the pasta mixture. Fry for 2 minutes. Turn off the flame, ready to serve. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.